Hi all, it's been a week. Our air conditioning died and right now I am in a laundromat all alone. That's actually my laundry finishing in the background. And I'm just like, hey, I have a place all to myself for the first time in a week in the air conditioning. So I thought I would want to try something like right under my feet is air made of bricks. Pulls me down, turns me weak for you. I find myself repeating like a broken tune, and I'm forever excusing your intentions, and I give in to my pretending, which gives you each time without me knowing. They melt my heart to stone, and I hear your words that I made up. You say my name like there could be in us. I best tidy up my head. I'm the only one. I'm the only one in love. By the way, thank you guys for helping make my husband and myself top 10 in our group for America's Favorite Couple. If you haven't yet, please hop over to Facebook, Milady Life, and go vote for us for America's Favorite Couple. We're now on our goal to the top 5. Anyway, thanks guys for listening, and I'll see you later. Bye.